traded us low. Pardon me, that was really bad timing. This is the watch list for the 26th of September 2017 for Tuesday night session. So this one, ITUS was a bit of a bit of a dramatic mover, to say the least. Now it closed at 385, but its peak in yesterday's session. We'll go advanced charting. I do have an Interactive Brokers account, but it's just running quite slow right now. So the new laptop is on the way as well, so that should help processing a great deal, because currently it's, yep. Alright, so the 5-minute chart, so it got to, I swear it got to like 434 or so. I may be incorrect, 415. Maybe it didn't. I thought it did though. 26, 30. Alright, so it got to the high of 430 during yesterday's session. Now, I actually nearly played this here, and I was going to enter at 325. Is that the moment? Nope. 325 and have the stop loss. Well, mental stop loss, because I would prefer to close it out myself with the penny stock stuff. With the stop loss down around $3. I actually didn't execute in the end. I got a little freaked out. I was sort of over analytical, I would say, and that there was some Twitter activity from a few sources that I follow. I think the Wall Street Journal, everything. They were talking about the foreign minister of North Korea took a comment Donald Trump made to, in fact, mean a declaration of war against the country. So that's evolving still right now, and they're talking about shooting down, fighter jets if they're near North Korea, even if they're not in their actual, their international flight path or sort of area. So I mean, it's a volatile situation, but I mean, it closed out at 385, and there is some interest still with this one here in pre-market. Now I'll go back again. So the catalyst that sort of drove this, and I'm using this as a potential fuel to drive a, it might be a multi-day runner perhaps. So what I'll look for is just another bullish candle. So if we can hold for the first 15 minutes or so, first 10 to 15, and then we get a bullish candle, and there's no real, and there's good volume, I will get into this and just see where it goes. So the news was this. So tomorrow, I believe, is when they present. I think it was on the 27th of September. Yeah. So this again is a significant, press release. It's not, like a contract for works or an earnings play, but it's still, there's a lot of hype around this company. So what I would say is I'm definitely going to keep my eye on this. And it's an established, it's been around for a little while now. ITUS was founded in 1985. So, I mean, it is a speculative play, 1982. So, interesting though. This could be a big thing for the company. But how I would prefer to play it is the lead up hype. And then, if I could go from maybe like a 390 back to 430, that would be good. And then if it can't break 430, then maybe close out. So that would be what I would say to this one, guys. BBG is up 10% or so on the day as well. Potential breakout play again. I think there's some news here. I think there was just, there we go. Crude oil inventories rose for the 4th week. So that's fueling all this as well. So what does this company actually do? Okay, so they're pretty much based in exploration of oil and natural gas resources. Okay, so interesting play. The high 449 or so, 52. So there's no real news on this one. So my preferred play would definitely be ITUS. It's just up so much. There's a lot of volume. So I'm going to favor the better plays, and I'm going to look for a nice bullish candlestick to print. on the 5-minute chart, but also watch the 1-minute chart for how things play out during the market open. Ideally a bit of a dip buy, maybe back to 385 and see how it reacts there. But that's the watch list, guys. I'm keeping it simple. I'm just going to keep it simple. There's nothing really else to talk about. Kindred Healthcare, that didn't work out. A&W didn't work out. I was talking about ITUS that I forgot about. We'll discuss that. This got up a lot. This actually moved more than ITUS on the back of this here. So it's just a hot sector right now with the tech and whatnot. Even though Facebook is down a little bit, so we'll see this one. This has got a little less interest now, so this is still up. This is up more in the day, so I'll be watching ITUS intently, especially with its ability to spike quickly. So I'm gonna focus on this one, guys. Thank you for watching, and good luck. Happy trading.